How's it going? Is everybody here working on a side project in the after hours? Is anyone here doing that? I know I'm not the only one moonlighting. Your bosses aren't here. They aren't going to know. They won't see it, all right? You can see? All right, so non-technical founders have vibe coding. Technical founders need vibe leadership. And so we built something that plugs in to Google Meet or Chrome, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and it does two things at once. One, it verbally controls agents to delegate off technical work, connects to your GitHub, does your stand-up updates, does code changes, etc. And at the same time, it optimizes your EQ by managing the way that you talk to the people in the meeting. So right now it said I've talked too long and I need to stop. And you can see now it's reset the leadership communication timer. And what it'll start to do is score my brevity, clarity, and impact based on everything I said and the way everyone in the meeting responded to it emotionally with nonverbal cues and verbal cues. So you can see it almost like a kind of Iron Man helmet that prompt engineers your human conversations the way that you can prompt engineer AI conversations. If I want an agent to connect to my GitHub, handle parts of the conversation for me.
Turns out it's the index conflict. Should be good now, especially for older iOS devices. Tomorrow, I'll test it across browsers. Then I'll jump into fixing header responsiveness.
Okay, because nobody likes giving repetitive stand-up updates. That's beneath you. You all are leaders. If something in my conversation doesn't go so well, that's cool. I'll get a follow-up email. Here's how you did. Do you want to start practicing now? Now we do generative role play to develop the leadership skills that I kind of failed at. Maybe it's my investor pitch, or maybe it's a sales call, or maybe it's a team meeting. But I want to get better, and I go, okay, I'm Matt. I'm working on leadership skills, and LeaderX is a vibe leadership tool that helps technical people become really, really great at leadership communication. This is probably going to take just a second because I'm hotspotting off my phone because I came too late to get on the real Wi-Fi.
Act as if it's finished.
This will take just a second because I'm hotspotting.
It's great to hear you're focused on developing your leadership skills. It sounds like you're proactively seeking tools and strategies to improve, which is a fantastic start. To better understand your aspirations, could you tell me about a specific situation where you felt your leadership could have been more effective and what you learned from that experience?
Yes, I wish I had prepared better for the Wi-Fi aspect of this demo.
All right, let's hear it for Matt.
Thank you so much. Come talk to me.